Which spiritual practices help to naturally increase our energy flow to the chakras? There are many different techniques or practices which can help to improve the flow of energy, chi or prana to the chakra system, and it is advised to choose whichever is best suited to you and your lifestyle, as all have their own individual benefits, but here are some examples that you may find particularly beneficial. The benefits of yoga are traditionally well known, including increasing flexibility and strengthening the body. But more importantly, when it comes to the chakras, yoga consists of many different movements or poses known as asanas, which when combined with breathing techniques known as pranayama and the inner focus known as meditation, encourage the flow of energy to the body. In addition to this, the 8 limbs of yoga and their corresponding beliefs, when practiced in a specific order, encourage us to lead a more productive and purposeful life, therefore encouraging the chakras to open and stay balanced. Pranayama is not only the practice of controlling the breath in yoga, but is also a specific method which teaches us to breathe more effectively. As the level of oxygen is increased through inhalation, our body naturally aids in cleansing and recharging the chakra system in as little as 30 minutes each day. Tai Chi is a form of Chinese martial arts which combines deep rhythmic breathing and relaxation with specific movements which, although are slow and focused, are flowing and promote optimal health, because Tai Chi encourages us to feel grounded. Energy is therefore able to flow more effectively throughout the body, and the chakra system can promote health and well-being. Meditation and mindfulness are essential to restore calm and focus to an overactive mind, and yet the benefits of chakra meditation, which when consistently practiced for at least 20 minutes on a daily basis, include an increased energy flow, better concentration, and an overall sense of peace and well-being throughout the mind and body. Dance and movement not only help us to feel good, but also enable us to connect with every chakra in our body, with each one having its own unique quality, which is actively stimulated during movement. We are also able to connect strongly to our sense of grounding and our roots, helping to not only retune our entire chakra system, but also to reconnect within ourselves. Finally, our diet plays a huge part in the way we feel, think, and how our bodies are able to perform, and this is no different when it relates to the chakra system, as the type of food we eat will either encourage the optimum release of energy from the body or cause illness, depending entirely on our dietary choices over a long period of time. A healthy and balanced diet, therefore, is always preferable to promote health and well-being in all aspects of our lives.